我在看学生论文的时候，常常发现有人把 widely 打成 widely，OK，宽的变成野蛮的这样子的情况。OK， 譬如说你讲说 interactive learning system is widely applied in the current world， 那就变得很奇怪，就是说动态式的多媒体系统很野蛮的被应用在现在世界。OK， 这是一些你们要注意的字。OK， 第3段 ，The results of this study are useful, but they mainly apply assumption-driven statistical techniques to analyze the empirical data. In that, hypotheses are formulated and then tested against the data. 这里的 in that 是表示什么？是因为 ，OK。这里的 in that 是表示因为，我们上次上课有讲过 ，OK， 你们讲过的东西要记得哦。我刚刚有讲到，就是下礼拜你们要做一个 test，OK， 下礼拜你们要做一个 test， 那个 test 决定你们整个学期的成绩的20%，OK， 这样子的。这就是下礼拜的考试的范围，就是你们这4周上课的范围。那考试的成绩决定你们这个学期成绩的20%。OK， 上次我们有讲过，这里的 in that 是表示因为，所以是在表示因为的时候是不可以省略的。The problem of this approach is that the scope of result is restricted. OK， 这里的 that 就是可以省略的，因为它是用来讲出后面的那个受之补语这样子的情况。Okay, the problem of this approach is that the scope of a result is restricted by the hypothesis, so findings from data themselves may be ignored. Okay, 所以你们有没有注意到，他说 from data themselves may be ignored. Okay， 因为 data 是复数，所以他用的是 themselves. OK， 因为 data 是复数。所以他用的是themselves， 而不是用 itself 这样子啊。OK，maybe ignore 这样子。那 ignore 可以代换是 neglect，N-E-G-L-E-C-T。On the other hand, data mining is able to uncover potential useful information hidden in data, compared with traditional statistics. Data mining is discovery-driven in that it uses the data themselves to discover the pattern and the relationship instead of being restricted by the initial formulation of hypotheses. OK， 这里的 compare with traditional statistics， 这里的 compare with 是指的是比较。OK。Compare with 跟 compare to 的差别是 ，compare with 是讲的是比较 ，compare to 是讲的是比喻。Data mining is discovery driven. In that, OK， 再一次的 in that 是因为 it uses the data, OK themselves， 可以说你看 data themselves, OK， 所以它并不是用 itself to discover patterns and the relationship. Instead of being restricted by the initial formulation of hypotheses. Therefore, the study presented in this paper apply data mining approach to investigate the influence of human factor on users' preference of an interactive multimedia learning system. OK，the influence 是影响的意思，我们刚才有讲过，effect 跟 affect 都可以影响，但是 effect 是名词 ，affect 是动词。OK，the paper is structured as follows. Section 2 presents the theoretical background by analyzing the problem of existing research in the field. Section 3 describes the methodology used to conduct the study and the techniques applied to analyze the empirical data. Subsequently, the results of the study are presented and discussed in Section 4. Finally, conclusions based on our results are outlined in Section 5. OK， 你们有没有发现这些句子 ？OK， 在描述每一个 section 的时候， 这些一定都是用现在式 ，OK。所以在描述你的内容的时候，你这些一定都是现在式，因为它现在还在这文章里面，它是描述的是一个事实。在描述一个事实的时候，一定都是用现在式。就像你们要讲 Table 1 什么 Table 2 什么 Figure 1 什么的时候，那个绝对一定都是用现在式 ，OK？ 好，请你们把它翻到最后一页的最底下。好，请刚才的那一段，请你们跟最后一页的最底下去比较，你们看一看它的差别在哪里。好，这两段的差别是，
基本上好像没有差别，只是一些词跟句号。
这两段的差别是，你们可以发现一个是比较有结构化的，譬如说它第二句话 ，it then progress to describe the methodology， 就是说我建议会是，当然不是这样子，只是一个 Session 1 什么 Session 2 什么 Session 3什么，你可以比较有结构化的去描述，这是另外它的差别，这样子的情况。好，第二个 Session in the past decade。A variety of information technology have been applied to improve the quality of teaching and learning. In particular, many learning systems use interactive multimedia learning technology. Unlike traditional learning systems, an interactive multimedia learning system is a rich environment which uses various media and complicated techniques to provide advanced interface features, such as dynamic button and multimedia window. OK， 这里这个 which 是关系代名词子句 ，OK， 形容的是那个rich environment。rich environment 是这个子句的主词。On the one hand, such interface feature can help users freely navigate and easily identify relevant content. On the other hand, not all users appreciate the strength of this interface feature. This is due to the fact, OK, that diversity within user make them have a different preference. OK, due to the fact 是什么意思？对 ，due to the fact 就是 because 的意思。OK。那记得 due to 后面是接名词 ，due to the fact that 是接子句，就像 because 是接子句 ，because of 下面是接名词。Consequently, human factors are increasingly seen as important issue, as reflected in the substantial number of existing study. 这里的 substantial 是指的相当大的意思。OK， 你可以用 great OK 这样子的词去代替。Which show that a different group of users demonstrate different learning preferences. For example, past and living examine gender difference in the preference between various design approach and the multimedia interface. The sample include 90 children from three kindergarten classes. OK。有没有注意到这里面讲 the sample include 90 children from 3 kindergarten classes？ 有没有注意到 90 它是用它阿拉伯数字，但这个 3 是用把它拼出来的英文字，这样子的情况。那个超过10以上的 OK， 超过就是从11开始的话，都用阿拉伯数字。那如果包括10的话，都是把它拼出来，但是在句首的话，那一律都是拼出来。超过10以上都是用阿拉伯数字，但是呢，在句首的话就是要把它拼出来。所以这就是为什么 90 是用阿拉伯数字 ，3 是用把它拼出来的。Let's use interactive multimedia story. The research subject responds to the question that expresses their level of certification with the various interface. The findings obtained from their study indicate there is a significant difference in the level of certification between boy and girl in terms of the design of the user interface. boy like the whole screen change at once, while girl dislike this approach. Okay, they also like the boy prefer green and blue color, whereas the girl prefer red and yellow. OK， 我们可以用 whereas 跟 whereas， 这都是来显示那些对照的。OK， 这都是来显示那些对照的，就是前面讲黑色，后面讲白色这样子的一个两个，譬如说他们这边都用 boy 跟 girl， 就你可以用这样子来显示它的对照的东西，就 whereas well 跟 whereas 都可以。Glacier and Carroll also investigate the interaction of three types of content structure: linear, hierarchical, and mixed, with the point of the user in hypermedia learning. 30 participants, with half being as knowledgeable and half as non-knowledgeable, were used in the study. OK， 这里用 with half being。OK， 这里为什么用 being？ 是因为 with 是介系词，介系词后面一定接名词，所以要用 being。The results show that a hierarchical content structure is the most appropriate for non-knowledgeable subject. OK， 我刚刚讲了 the most 是表示最高级 ，a most 是表示什么？ Yeah，a most 是表示 very。OK， 记得 the most 跟 a most 是不一样。Probably because this structure provides a clear insight into the organization framework of the subject content contained within the hypermedia system. Furthermore, learn and examine how old users react to multimedia interface. OK， react 后面接的是 to，OK，